Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I am going to show you the live changes occur in the Zilliqa cryptocurrency in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see what changes occur in the Zilliqa cryptocurrency in the last 1 hour. What changes occur? Let's see on the screen. As you can see here, if we see, first of all we see the chart of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies of the last 1 hour. So it is clear that the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies falls down. It's a falling period of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, very fastly falls down. So my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. Now let's see the changes occur in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour is also a negative because the chart all falls down. As you can see here, the Zilliqa price is changes as negative 0.22% change occur in the Zilliqa in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour is $0.170586 is the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. Now let's see, as that is the price of this period. As you can see here, that is the price of this period, as you can see here. Now let's see the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies on the market. As you can see here, that is the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrency. As you can see here, it is a dollar $0.169804 is the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, and that is the price of this type. As you can see here, that is the price of this period, as you can see on the screen. So the changes, it's a very bad in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. The changes still us that the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies first time are start in this period. So my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. What's your opinion about this change? Please share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about Zilliqa cryptocurrency.